Hello, friends. I'm so glad to welcome you back to my kitchen today. We're making cauliflower that feels just right for a festive table and just as lovely for a simple family dinner. First, trim away the extra leaves and cut off the stem. You can use a regular white cauliflower if that's what you have at home. Place the cauliflower gently into a pot. Fill it up with water. Bring it to a boil and add a little salt to taste. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Lift the cauliflower out of the pot and set it on a plate to cool. In a small bowl, pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir in 1 teaspoon of mustard. Cut a lemon in half. Squeeze the juice right in. Add a pinch of smoked paprika. And just a touch of cumin. Feel free to bring in your favorite spices too. I'm adding a sprinkle of dried oregano. Pour in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Give everything a good stir until it comes together. Place the cauliflower on a sheet of baking paper. Brush it all over with that flavorful marinade. Friends, we may not always cross paths again. So hit that subscribe button now and I'll always be right here cooking with you. Now it's time to bake in the air fryer. Set it to 180 degrees Celsius, about 350 Fahrenheit, and let it cook for 15 minutes. While that's baking, let's make a quick sauce. Start with 120 grams of plain yogurt. Grate in 1 clove of garlic. Add a little lemon zest for brightness. Cut that same lemon once more. And squeeze out the juice. Chop a small bunch of fresh dill. Mix it right into the yogurt. Add a little salt. And a dash of black pepper. Stir it all together until smooth. And just like that, the sauce is ready. Now for the hummus. Place 150 grams of chickpeas in a blender. Slice a ripe avocado in half. Scoop out the creamy flesh and add it to the chickpeas. I'm using both halves. I just can't resist avocado. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Toss them in as well. Squeeze in the juice of another lemon. Stir up the tahini paste so it's silky. Add 2 tablespoons to the blender. Sprinkle in some salt, a little smoked paprika, and another pinch of cumin. Add in a small bunch of fresh spinach. Spoon in 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Blend it all until smooth and creamy. For garnish, chop a handful of your favorite fresh herbs. I went with parsley. Spread the green hummus across a serving plate. Smooth it out evenly so it looks beautiful. Carefully take the roasted cauliflower out of the air fryer. Wow, just look at that gorgeous color. Place it right on top of the hummus. Drizzle with the white yogurt sauce. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this dish in your own kitchen. Sprinkle with a little more fresh herb. And don't forget to share this beautiful dish with your family and friends. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a like so we can keep cooking together. Cut the cauliflower in half and see how gorgeous it looks inside. For easier serving, cut 1/2 again into quarters. Perfect. What a fragrant, cozy dish. Time to enjoy. I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments. And see you in the next video.